Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Auth0 UI templates for secure login design. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Auth0 UI templates for secure login design, begin by visiting the Auth0 website. In the top right corner, click on the login button if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, select sign up to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the Universal Login option. Within the Universal Login section, find the Templates tab. Click on the Templates tab to view various UI templates available. Browse through the selection of templates for login, sign up, and password reset. Choose the template that best suits your project needs. Click on the template to view more details and a preview. Near the preview, you will find a download button. Click the download button to save the template files to your computer. After downloading, locate the files in your Downloads folder. Unzip the downloaded file if it is compressed. Open the unzipped folder to find the template files. You can now integrate the template into your application according to your design requirements. Refer to the documentation provided with the template for customization instructions. This will help you implement a secure and aesthetically pleasing login design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.